Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can send an Interac e-transfer on Scotiabank online. So to begin with, open up or log in into your mobile banking of Scotiabank. After you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page. Right at the bottom, there will be multiple tabs or tools. Click on Move Money tab located right at the bottom. Next page, you'll be taken to the detail of Move Money tab. So right on this page, click on Interac e-transfer since you're transferring it online. Now you'll need to select the account from where you are actually making your transaction. After that, you'll need to select to which account you're transferring the amount. Lastly, you also need to enter how much you're transferring to this particular account. So quickly enter in all of these information. Once you're done with this procedure, slide to send, which is right at the bottom. And now you'll need to go through all of these confirmation page. If you're sure about the information that you've provided, click on the finish tab located right at the bottom, and here you go, that the transaction has been completed. In this way, you can send an Interac e-transfer on Scotiabank online. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching.